Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hootsuite for social media management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Hootsuite for social media management, first, visit the Hootsuite website. Click on the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be presented with several plan options. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Once you choose a plan, enter your email address and create a secure password. After entering your credentials, click on the Get Started button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from Hootsuite. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Hootsuite login page. Log in using your email address and password. Upon logging in, you will be guided through a quick setup process. Follow the prompts to connect your social media accounts to Hootsuite. Choose which social media platforms you want to manage. Enter your login details for each social media account you select. After connecting, you will see an overview of your connected accounts. Explore the Hootsuite dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. You can customize your dashboard layout by dragging and dropping widgets. Now it's time to create your first post. Click on Create Post in the dashboard. Select the social media accounts where you want to share your content. Compose your post, adding text, images, or links as needed. Once your post is ready, you can publish it immediately or schedule it for later. To schedule a post, select the date and time from the scheduling options. Review your post and click Schedule. You have successfully activated and set up Hootsuite for social media management. Explore additional features such as analytics and reporting as you become more familiar with the tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.